What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Secure your spot on the rocket ship as one of the future Shiba Inu success stories, man. I'm telling y'all, if you go back through my channel, you'll see throughout Shiba Inu's last breakouts, the biggest breakouts Shiba Inus have seen, I've been doing technical analysis along the way and calling this out fairly accurately, probably the most accurate we've seen on YouTube. And I'm telling y'all right now, that time appears to be upon us again. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball right here, so I can't tell you exactly, what the price will be. I can just tell you, from what I've learned. But we got an article here talking about Shiba Inu's price in the next 5 years. Obviously, I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, so I think the price will be higher than it is today. So, let's see what this article has to say about it. So, Shiba Inu is currently trading at that 7 levels, carrying the burden of 5 zeros in the indices. SHIB needs to delete 4 zeros to reach that 1 cent mark and make present-day investors into millionaires. So, however, it is easier said than done, and it needs to be more accomplished. More needs to be done to accomplish this milestone. The dog-themed token needs to burn trillions of tokens to reach the 1 cent mark and deliver all the richness that investors aspire to. So you can see right here now down 1.9% in the last 24 hours. And then it also says, considering that the majority of holders can wait for the long term to achieve the goal, what could Shiba Inu's price be 5 years from today in 2028? So in this article, we'll highlight what SHIB's price could be and how many zeros it could delete. So leading on-chain metrics and price prediction firm Gov Capital has painted a rosy picture for Shiba Inu in 2028. However, the prediction fell short of reaching that 1 cent forecast that forecasted that SHIB could delete 2 zeros in 5 years. So according to Gov Cap, Shiba Inu could reach a maximum of 0.00021275 and a minimum price of 0.000185 in July 2028. Therefore, SHIB could knock out only 2 zeros in the next 5 years and trade in the chart with 3 zeros. So how would y'all feel if it took SHIB 5 years to knock off the next 2 zeros? Would that still be bullish for you? Would you still be willing to hold throughout that time? Or would you take that as, that would be too long for you? So here's their prediction chart right here. You can see they say, so they got the year 2028, July, basically 5 years from now, and that's what they're showing, best case and worst case scenario here. So, me personally, if it took 5 years to delete 2 zeros, I would be surprised with SHIB. Worst case scenario, it is what it is. We got to give these assets time to fully mature. Think about it. Bitcoin's been around since, 09. Ethereum, not too long. BNB's only been out for about 6 years now, so you still have to give some of these assets time. Shiba Inu is only coming upon this 3rd year. So think about it. If, you're a long-term investor, that could be considered 10 years or more. That's how I'm looking at Shiba Inu as the ecosystem is developed, as it's continued to build out, as we get Shibirum, more projects wanting to work with us. I think Shiba Inu has a lot of potential. So, I would be, a little disappointed, if it took 5 years to just delete 2 zeros, but worst case scenario, I would still be okay with that, because at the same time, my bag is growing. The purpose is to put your money to work for you, so that way, you eventually aren't working for the money. So that's an uptick in return on investment of about 2,500% from its current price at that 7 level. So $1,000 investment made today at this level may fetch investors $26,000 in 2028 if the price prediction turns out to be true. So nonetheless, there is no guarantee that SHIB could delete 2 zeros in the next 5 years. The cryptocurrency market are highly volatile and could swing both ways, causing losses. It is advised to do thorough research before taking an entry position into Shiba Inu. So you got to always remember, do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. But me personally, I think, that mark that they have at the 0.000 level isn't too bad, but I think we get closer to a 0.001 level. I think we'll probably at minimum be around that 2 zero levels. Not sure what the number after that will follow, but I don't think it's going to take that long to burn 2 zeros from where we are right now. So hopefully we could burn more. Hopefully with Shiba Inu we see all this ramp up even faster, and we see more tokens removed from circulation, so that way we can get to this goal even faster of 1 cent. Now that's all we got for this video. Just want to keep y'all updated on some future price predictions and see how y'all would feel if it did take 5 years from now for SHIB to delete 2 zeros. How would y'all feel about that? Leave that in the comment section. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are